Do you know the number one mistake travelers make when visiting New Zealand? They pack all the wrong stuff. Too many clothes, not the right layers, completely underprepared for the crazy weather shifts. But here's the twist. New Zealand isn't about packing for the season, because in New Zealand you often get 4 seasons in just one day. In this video you'll get the best New Zealand packing checklist, practical, local tested and super efficient for self-drive holidays. My name is Michael, I'm a New Zealand travel designer. Let's get started. New Zealand has this thing we call 4 seasons in one day. I'm not exaggerating. You can start your morning anywhere with sunshine and 20 degrees weather, drive 2 hours and suddenly you're in horizontal rain with 8 degrees temperatures. Then by afternoon you're back in shorts and t-shirt weather. This happens because New Zealand sits between 2 massive oceans and weather systems move incredibly fast across our islands. The Southern Alps create their own weather patterns and our UV levels are some of the strongest in the world. So traditional packing advice, it doesn't work in New Zealand. Now we got the weather theories out of the way, soon you'll get my essential items breakdown. My golden rule for packing for New Zealand: you need to be prepared for everything, but you can't bring everything. The key is strategic layering and choosing items that work in multiple situations. Remember, you'll be living out of the suitcase for weeks, possibly in a camper van with limited storage. Plus, most of what you want to do, like activities like hiking, visiting beaches, maybe some nice dining out, you'll need versatility, not volume. So let me start with the absolute essentials that I see travelers regret not to bring. Number 1, a quality rain jacket. Not just any rain jacket, a proper, waterproof, breathable one. Now, New Zealand rain isn't like drizzle back home. It's often horizontal, cold, and it can last for days. Your cheap plastic poncho isn't going to cut it. Look for something with sealed seams and pit zips for ventilation. Also, a rain jacket helps against wind chills. Number 2, layers, layers, layers. Think of your clothing like building blocks. You want a base layer for warmth. Merino wool is fantastic because it doesn't smell and regulates temperature. Then mid layers like fleece or light sweaters. Finally, your outer shell, the rain jacket we just talked about. Number 3, proper hiking footwear. Most of New Zealand's best experiences involve walking on uneven terrain. You don't need mountaineering boots, but you do need something with good grip and ankle support. And here's my pro tip: make sure you've broken in the boots before you start arriving in New Zealand. Now for the items that make your trip so much better. Our UV levels are 40% higher than Europe due to the clean air and southern latitude. Pack a wide brimmed hat, quality sunglasses, and you'll buy high SPF sunscreen here. It's better than what you can get overseas. Also, quick dry clothing is your friend. Cotton takes forever to dry and stays damp. Look for synthetic materials or for merino wool. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button below to stay in touch for more helpful travel videos to come. Plus, put any comments or questions into the comments box below. The washing strategy. Here's something that will revolutionize your packing. You can wash your clothes easily throughout your New Zealand journey. Almost every accommodation has washing machines and dryers. Hostels, motels, bed and breakfast, holiday parks, they all have laundry facilities. Some charge a small fee for washing powder, others included. This means you can pack for 1 week and just wash as you go. Pack 4 to 5 t-shirts instead of 14. 2 pairs of hiking pants instead of 7. Your bag will thank you for it, and you have so much more room for souvenirs. Now also, what you pack depends on your activities. For hiking, good boots, socks, a day pack, a water bottle. By the way, most local New Zealanders hike in shorts year round. For beaches, swimwear, sandals or jandals as we call them here, and a quick dry towel. For dining out, New Zealand is a very casual society. Smart casual is as dressed up as you need to get. Leave the formal dresses and ties at home. What not to bring. This is where most people go wrong. Here's what you absolutely don't need. Formal clothing. Unless you're attending a wedding, you won't need formal suits, cocktail dresses or dress shoes. Even nice restaurants in New Zealand have a very relaxed dress code. Too many shoes. I see people bring 6 pairs of shoes for a 2-week trip. You need maximum hiking boots, comfortable walking shoes and sandals or casual shoes. There's no need for heavy winter gear for summer visits. Yes, it can get cool, but you don't need jackets for January. Layers work better than one super heavy coat. Excessive electronics. You don't need 3 cameras, 2 tablets and 5 chargers. Consolidate and bring universal travel adapter. New Zealand uses Type 1 plugs. So here's the money saving tip. Some things you actually buy better in New Zealand. Outdoor gear. We have fantastic outdoor stores like Macpac and Kathmandu. If you realize you need something, you get quality gear in New Zealand. Sunscreen and insect repellents. Our sunscreen is formulated for our high UV levels, and you want insect repellent for sandflies, especially on the west coast and Fiordland. Also buy the local stuff. Merino wool items. New Zealand produces some of the world's best merino wool. If you want a quality sweater or a base layer, this is the place to buy it. Souvenirs with function. Get a good sun hat, a scarf or warm gloves here. They serve as both memories and practical items. So here's my proven packing system. Use the layer method in your suitcase. Have your heaviest items like boots at the bottom, then roll your clothing into the spaces. Your rain jacket should be easily accessible. Pack for 1 week, not 3. Plan to do laundry every 4 to 5 days. This will cut your luggage in half. Bring versatile pieces. That fleece jacket works for hiking, casual dinners and cool evenings. Those hiking pants can be your travel pants too. Also use packing cubes. They compress your clothes and keep you organized, especially important in camper vans with limited luggage space. So here is your essential New Zealand packing checklist. You can download this list with a link in the description box below. Remember, the goal isn't to be prepared for every possible scenario. It's to be prepared for the likely scenario that's staying light and flexible. For more details on common travel mistakes, check out this video up here. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next video.